treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.